In this episode of the CompTIA A+ acronym series, we're going to be covering acronyms from the display and media categories. Now, these are essential for troubleshooting hardware and navigating the interface. Remember, at the bottom of the slide, you'll be able to see which exam you're more likely to find this acronym so that you can study smarter. First up, CRT. Cathode ray tube. Now, it's an older display technology used before LCDs and modern flat screens. While mostly obsolete, it's still covered. DPI stands for dots per inch, which measures a resolution in printers and displays. A higher DPI means better image quality. GPU refers to the graphics processing unit. This chip handles rendering images, videos, animations. GPUs are crucial in both desktops and laptops. GUI, it is short for Graphical User Interface. The visual system of icons, windows, and buttons we interact with on modern computers. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. An older analog video connector that's still occasionally used. It is a DB15 and the connector is usually blue. DVI, Digital Visual Interface. Now, DVI is a type of video display interface developed to transmit uncompressed digital video. It was commonly used to connect monitors to PCs before HDMI became widespread. Remember, DVI-D, digital only. DVI-A, analog only. DVI-I, integrated, supporting both. HDMI. HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Interface. Now, this is a digital interface used to transmit both video and analog signals over a single cable. It is the go-to connection for monitors, TVs, gaming consoles, projectors, and more. IPS, or in-plane switching. Now, this is a type of LCD technology known for excellent color reproduction and its wide viewing angle. Whether you're watching a movie, editing photos, or just browsing, IPS panels offer vibrant and consistent visuals. LCD, or liquid crystal display. It is a flat panel display technology found in monitors, laptops, TVs, and smartphones. It uses a layer of liquid crystals aligned between polarized filters to control the passage of light. A fun fact, the liquid crystals themselves don't emit light. That's why LCDs need a backlight, commonly a CCFL or a LED. Bringing us to the LED, or light emitting diode. Now, an LED is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current passes through it. It's incredibly energy efficient, bright, and durable, making it perfect for modern tech. OLED, or organic light emitting diode. Now, unlike traditional LEDs that need a backlight, OLED are made of organic compounds that emit light themselves when electricity passes through. That means each pixel lights up independently. TN, or twisted nematic. Now, TN is of the oldest, most common types of LCD display panels. It uses a liquid crystal design where the molecules twist when voltage is applied. Hence the name, twisted nematic. VA, or vertical alignment. It is a type of LCD display panel technology in which VA panels, or the liquid crystals, are aligned vertically when no voltage is applied. The difference from TN and IPS. Now that wraps up the display and media acronyms. These are the basics of hardware infrastructure and display tech, so make sure you're familiar with all of them, especially which exam version they apply to. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe to see the next video. What would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments. Next video, more general IT concepts.